My family. My family is very important to me. We are a small family consisting of four members: my parents, my younger sister, and me. We live in a cozy house in the suburbs surrounded by trees and a lovely garden. My parents are my role models. My dad works as an accountant, and he's always been diligent and hardworking. He loves to spend his free time gardening and taking care of our backyard. My mom is a teacher, and she's incredibly caring and patient. She enjoys cooking delicious meals for our family and organizing fun activities for us to do together. I have a younger sister who is my best friend. She is in high school and is passionate about art. Our house is always filled with her colorful paintings and sketches. We often spend weekends painting together or watching movies. As a family, we love to go on vacations. Our favorite destination is the beach because we all enjoy swimming and relaxing by the sea. We have created many wonderful memories during our beach vacations, from building sandcastles to collecting seashells. Family dinners are also special to us. We gather around the dining table every evening to share stories about our day and enjoy delicious home-cooked meals. These moments bring us closer together and strengthen our bond as a family. In conclusion, my family is my source of love, support, and happiness. I am grateful for each member and the unique qualities they bring to our family dynamic. I cherish every moment spent with them and look forward to creating more beautiful memories together.